Well, this is day 3 of the snow. As you can see, we've started digging ourselves out of this mess. We have about, I'd say, 4 feet of snow. What do you think? And Ray, there's your Solara. I'm going to walk up close there and I'll show you just how much snow we got over the past couple of days. And this is the trench I built yesterday. Kind of cool. Trying to pretend we were playing World War II games here. But there's your Solara, dude. That is how much snow you have on top of it. I'm digging your car out today. There's Barbie. We got her Jeep out yesterday.
Hey Ray, your brother dug my Jeep out yesterday. He was the only one brave enough to go out in the blizzard.
It was fun, actually. And there it is. We'll send this to you today, right?